So we started our garden up here today. We started at 10. What I'd like to do is work from 10 till 12, take a lunch break, and work 1 till 3, and we'll get her done. So we used just to line these out, dug all that out today. We're going to dig out all of these. A lot of work still to go, especially with little shovels. And I built 3 just like boxes. Didn't really have the materials for it, so we're trying to build it with whatever we have. And I'm gonna fence it in with all materials. There's one of the escape convicts. I'm gonna fence it in with materials because I got some landscaping to do down the right side of the property there that I want to cut down some of those, and we'll use those for posts and cross. It's gonna look pretty cool, I think, once we're done. But yeah, I think I don't know, I got some 2x4s. Maybe I'll just dig some of those in as boxes, and I don't know if I got enough for, I probably do, but maybe I'll make 3 more tomorrow. And yeah, we'll have lanes in between that, and gonna build a gate down there. It'll be alright. Hey, birdie birds. A couple of escapees. There's your water. Yeah, you still got water, but I might want to have a look at that today, because you guys can't come out now. Anyways, that's that.